G'day, I'm Brooke from Hipcamp and I'm coming to you today from the gorgeous Sapphire Coast, about 4.5–5 hours south of Sydney. This year, the Hipcamp team will be hitting the road and doing more of what we want you to be doing this year, and that's getting outside, spending nights outside under the big blue and under the stars. So our first Hipcamp Field Trip is happening right now, and we're visiting Sapphire Coast Dairy. We're going to show you some really great things of what you can do here, but I'm not going to lie. The reason I've chosen this location is it has an epic bathtub. And it's probably one of the most Instagram bathtubs I've seen on our Instagram. And I think it's going to be really fun. So it's on my bucket list to do, so you should put it on your bucket list, and that's why I've picked this location as our first.
Daisies blooming, sundress swaying in the breeze. I can't stop staring. You've put a spell on me, and I hope that you never decide to set me free.
So Norm has lent us some of his bikes to go for a ride. So we've just been riding around the back streets. Found this really great river, and I think it's for me, when I go camping, I look for activities to do, especially with my kids, so that when we get back to camp at night, we've all got a really big appetite ready for dinner.
Let's not waste time, we'll take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go, so let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. The leaves ain't waiting, their colors changing like the times. We're heading down, taking. Darling, would you be mine? And I hope you know I will love you for the rest of my life.
So I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty epic. At the camps I go to, normally I don't bath or shower for days. I'll swim in the river, but nothing like this. Like, this is 5-star camping. Absolutely stoked. The guys have had me in this tub for nearly an hour, and I'm pretty wrinkly, so I'm keen to get out and cook some dinner. But just got to get out there. This is amazing. We've been for bike rides. We went to the dairy. We've gone for a big bushwalk. Just had a really great day, and it's so special to be able to cap it off in something like this. And I have to give Norm full credit for his attention to detail. He told me that he's even he's come from his house and hopped in this tub. It's just magic. Well, good morning everyone. We had a really good night's sleep. I love my new swag. You have to excuse the swag here. We've got no Katrina Roundtree film crew from Getaway here. Cooking up some pancakes for brekkie. And then I'm super keen to head back to the river for a swim. And I'm really happy with my new single swag. I was tossing up whether to get a double or a single. I'm really happy I got the single. Much more manageable just for solo work trips, so happy about that. Always hate leaving camp because that means we've got to get home and unpack, and also that means back to the office for me. So this has been an absolutely amazing very first Hipcamp field trip. Really excited to do more of these and show you some of the thousands of unique stays on private land across Australia. No two hip camps are the same, so you can't expect this at any other location, which is part of the fun. You never know what you're going to get, and adventure is what you make it. So my tip is to get out there, book a hip camp, and just enjoy nature under the stars, under the big blue sky, swim in rivers, eat healthy food, and spend time with the ones that you love. And stay tuned for our next Hipcamp field trip coming up soon. Bye.